Established in 2002, Chitkara Institute of Engineering and Technology, Punjab has received a 4.2 star rating out of 5 on Shiksha.com from students. How is the BTech course here? Let's find out in this detailed college review. Starting right off with the 4.2 rated placements. According to NIRF, a total of 1,450 students registered for the 2023 placements, out of which 1,165 were placed. A look at the year-on-year trend, the placement percentage has practically doubled since 2021. A total of 650 companies visited the campus for placements this year, including Accenture, Capgemini, Cvent, Genpact, HCL, Microsoft, and many more, offering roles such as software engineer, SDE, data analyst, and several others. The highest package was 1.11 crore per annum, and the median salary offered was 9.5 lakh per annum. Taking a look at the year-on-year trend, there has been approximately 60% growth in median packages since 2021. Comparing the median packages of CIET with neighbouring and similarly ranked Lovely Professional University and Chandigarh University, one can see that median salary offered at CIET compares rather favourably. Students have shared that those who secured placements are initially offered internship opportunities lasting 6 to 12 months. Approximately 60% of students obtain internships. The college facilitates internships with reputed companies such as Wipro, TCS, WNS, Aditya Birla Group, EY, IBM, Oracle, HCL, among others. Speaking of courses, Chitkara Institute of Engineering and Technology offers 12 BE specializations and admission is through JEE main exam scores. Additionally, CIT has international collaborations with universities like Purdue, Deakin, and British Columbia Institute of Technology, allowing students to complete their degrees abroad after 2 years at Chitkara. The total tuition fees for BECSE is 9.6 lakhs for 4 years. The fees may differ for other specializations. Let's switch gears for the 4.4 star rated infrastructure and see what students are saying. Chitkara University comprises of 14 institutions under its umbrella. The CIET campus features modern classrooms, an auditorium, 100 plus well-equipped laboratories, computing facilities, a well-stocked library, a cafeteria, residential accommodations, and medical facilities. Additionally, it boasts of a robust sports infrastructure which includes outdoor sports facilities for athletics, basketball, cricket, football, and volleyball, as well as indoor sports facilities for badminton, chess, carom, a multi-gym, pool, table tennis, and more. Students share that the infrastructure and facilities are top-notch with a Wi-Fi covered campus, air-conditioned labs, and classrooms. The hostel facilities are also commendable, offering good food, clean toilets, and secure woodwork for personal belongings. Additionally, the canteen features various outlets including Domino's, Lapinos, Barista, Subway, Venky's, and Baskin & Robbins. Shifting gears to faculty and course curriculum, which has received a 4.2 star rating from students. Students have shared that the teachers are very helpful and well qualified, and the curriculum effectively prepares students for the industry. Additionally, workshops and expert talk sessions are provided each week. CIIT has strong collaborations with major industries to ensure that the curriculum aligns with the latest industry trends. Exams are conducted frequently, putting students under cognitive overload. Monthly STs make it challenging to keep up with both the tests and the syllabus for the end-term exams. The campus life at CIIT is vibrant and engaging with a 4.3 star rating. Students at Chitkara Institute of Engineering and Technology have access to a plethora of clubs and societies, 10 including the ASME Society, MEX Teen Clubs, MEC Boards, ACM, and many more. In addition to student-run clubs and societies, CIIT hosts of festivals and events such as Innovators Meet, International Advanced Diagnostic Techniques Conference, Ideathon 3.0, NOVAT Plus 2023, and many more. Lastly, CIIT has been ranked 92nd in the NIRF 2023 for engineering, moving up 52 positions since last year. For more details on Chitkara Institute of Engineering and Technology and to check out thousands of course and college reviews, visit shiksha.com. We'd like to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and do not forget to like and share this video.